If you're a fan of ham and cheese sandwiches, then this is the next one you need to make. Welcome to Disney Dishes, where I'm making the most popular snacks and treats from around Walt Disney World parks and hotels. None of these concepts belong to me, they are just my own recreations based on the favorites around the parks and hotels. Now today we are in Epcot in France at Les Halles Boulangerie, making Croque Monsieur. Now I actually had no idea that you could get one of these in Epcot. We went there recently and I did not get one, but it was absolutely on my list of things to include in this series because a lot of people really love it. So a Croque Monsieur is basically a ham and cheese sandwich. It's amped up with Gruyere cheese, and then you make a bechamel, basic white sauce, use some really good bread, and then it gets broiled in the oven with more sauce and more cheese on top. So it's just the ultimate decadent ham and cheese experience. This is a pretty simple recipe to make, and it is absolutely delicious, so let's make it.
We're going to start by making the bechamel, which is really pretty simple. It's one of the mother sauces. It's a really good sauce to know because you can use it in just a multitude of recipes. You melt butter and then you add in all-purpose flour, and you want to give that just a minute or two over medium-low heat whisking to get the flour absorbed and get rid of any raw flour taste. After that, you're going to add in your milk. So you want to make sure your milk is hot, scalded, just below the simmer point. You can do that in the microwave or another sauce pot if you want. Once that's added in, you're just going to whisk, and the butter and flour is going to thicken that really nicely after just a few minutes. So after it coats a spoon really nicely, you can turn off the heat and it's time to season. So salt, white pepper, and nutmeg I think are the classic things to put in here. And then if you want to get creative, you can add so many different seasonings like mustard powder, garlic, onion, whatever you like. Give it a taste for seasoning and adjust according to your liking. I thought this was absolutely delicious as it was, so we're good to go. Now for a Croque Monsieur, you want to use a good rich bread like challah or brioche. They just hold up really nicely in this kind of sandwich and add a little something special. So I'm using challah, and we're going to spread softened butter on one side of each piece of challah. We're making 2 sandwiches, so 4 slices of bread, and then the part of the bread that's going to be against the heat, you just want to spread the melted butter on so it browns nicely. Now for the interior of the sandwich. On one side, we're going to have some Dijon mustard. If you don't like mustard, you can omit, but I think it adds something really nice to the sandwich, so I'd recommend it if you like Dijon. Definitely keep it in there. The other half, we're going to spread the bechamel on. Now it's just a simple ham and cheese after that. So I got good Black Forest ham, gonna layer on the slices of bread with the bechamel just so they adhere really nicely. And then I have some Gruyere shredded up, and be as generous as you want with that. Now it's time to sandwich these up, and we're gonna get them cooking. So you wanna have a nonstick skillet over medium heat, and we're gonna put our sandwiches, make sure that butter side is facing out, and just a few minutes on each side until beautifully golden brown. If it's not completely melty in the middle yet, that's okay because these do get a couple minutes in the oven. So after the bread is nicely browned, you're gonna spread some bechamel liberally all over the tops of the sandwiches and add a little more shredded Gruyere, and send this under the broiler for a couple minutes until they get really melty and golden brown and bubbly. And that is your Croque Monsieur. You can slice this in 2 or serve it whole, however you like, but this is an absolutely delicious, very special ham and cheese sandwich that you're gonna love.
Now, of course, this is not one of those sandwiches you can just pick up and eat with your hands because it is hot and it's got the bechamel and the cheese on top. But there's something so enticing about the golden brown bubbly cheese on top when you're served this. And of course, the better quality cheese and bread you use in this, the better the sandwich is going to be. And if you want to get creative and use a different cheese that isn't Gruyere because maybe you don't care for it, go for it. Use any kind of cheese that you prefer for this. Now I gotta say I may be biased because I personally love Croque Monsieur. It's very comforting, very decadent, very delicious, but it's so easy to make. And using a good bread like challah or brioche, if you want an even richer effect, really does make a difference here because it's a softer bread and it eats really nicely in this sandwich. The bechamel is super creamy. You get that nuttiness from the Gruyere, and then the ham, of course, in there paired with everything. It's just a delicious sandwich. The recipe is in the description if you'd like to make this at home. Make sure you give this video a thumbs up and leave me some comments, and of course hit that subscribe button and the notification bell so you can join me every week for new Disney dishes. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you next time.